Hello my lovely and amazing people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making challah bread. This challah bread is very soft and it tastes delicious. It is usually breaded or twisted and it is traditionally eaten by Jewish people on the sabbath and the holidays. Without wasting much of your time, here are the ingredients that we will be needing for this bread. Pour the warm water into your bowl, followed by the dry yeast, the honey, I will add in the 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk, followed by the vegetable oil. Add in your flour. Mix everything together. Sprinkle some flour on your working area and drop the dough. If the dough is too soft, feel free to sprinkle some flour on it. Start kneading until the dough is very soft. Heating it on your working area will help to soften the dough. Grease your bowl with oil or butter and place the dough inside it. Cover and allow to rest for 45 minutes in a warm place. This is our dough after 45 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Drop the dough and divide into 6 pieces. Form them into balls. After that, flatten the dough ball and roll into a log. Pinch the edges to seal. Repeat the same with the remaining dough balls. Now it is time to bread. Cover and allow to rest for 20 to 30 minutes in a warm place. After 30 minutes, brush with egg wash. I am using 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Sprinkle some sesame seed on top of them. Finally, I will bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.